Yes, Medvedek, we are turning on the mic. Hey everybody, I'm going to open the other chat, so I'm going to lose this chat. But, no, I'm going to see it. There we go.
Hello guys, what's up?
Yeah, it's all set up. Alright, so you should take over regarding the update. Oh wait, let me just turn this off for now. I shared in Discord what games you can win this week. And yep.
Yeah, well, let me open 2-2. Now, okay, so the transparency thing with when someone types hashtag like and dislike, when it loads to a new scene that's fixed, then what prefer range units, melee units, support. Oh yeah, we done that. So basically
AI is upgraded and we can now order them like force points on like melee units, on ranged units. Like for Vorg, I don't think we set him that, or we didn't test.
We didn't set him. We set, but we
didn't test. We removed it, maybe. Yeah. So basically we can tell some units go and attack only, not only, but prioritize a lot. And now one thing I did, okay, that needs to be updated because you're working on the different project. I updated Cryomancer a little bit and I tweaked his points so that he's not... you know how we had like a bunch of melee units and a bunch of ranged units, and they would target all melee units. But it's good if they target melee and ranged.
Oh yeah,
because it's a waste, right? Yeah. But it's I can do that. I can tweak that really quickly.
Okay, you should do that before we start.
Yes, I will.
Okay, so mage still overpowered, knockdown less long. Yeah, we tweaked that as well. Then website optimization. I have some experience with websites, so I have done some optimizations for the website, and it's now much faster. It's not like perfect, but it loads like...
Excuse me, just Noel says change to bad quality. My net doesn't support this. You should be able to change that yourself. We are not using fast latency stream, but we're using the other one that lets you choose the quality. So just click on that setting button and change it. You can't. Well, Twitch is messing with us. All right, let me see about that.
What? Why?
All right, Twitch is the worst. I'm saying it. Why can't we change this now? It was there. It was an option. Like, all right. So you guys have a problem with. All right. Let me check the setting for that really quickly. But we're gonna lower the quality if nothing. Where is
how?
that?
Yeah, we did that.
Channel. Normal latency. There you go. It's normal latency, meaning that this is where you cannot choose the quality, but...
Yeah.
Alright, I guess we'll just lower the bitrate a lot. Alright, we're gonna restart and get back to it like... Actually, I'm going to do it in one click. Let me first do the setting. Output... Alright.
Not while we're streaming.
Alright, be right back in 10 seconds. Alright, we are back, and now I'm curious how good is it working. Right now. I don't think it will give them the option, but we are streaming now and more than twice lower latency, so you should be able to load it. I guess the quality is not that bad neither. So
Yeah.
guys, you should tell us, like, is this now better? Can you load this?
Medvedek says bye. See ya.
Alright, so can somebody tell us in chat if this is working now? I mean, if it's better, or is this still not loading for you? If it's still not loading, we can lower the resolution as well. I'm not sure if we are even live, or is this chat... I don't know. Are we
That's
live?
maybe. I don't know.
For me it's fine, but I'm on a very good PC. What fancy announcements did I miss? Yeah, we started with some lists and stuff that we did, but then we are figuring out what's wrong with the Twitch, not letting you guys change the quality of the stream, so we lowered the bitrate. So we hope this is all good now.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so it's good for Medvedev, for Hi Guy. Okay, we're gonna continue it, and yeah, if there is some problem, tell us.
Yeah, let me
Keep going through this.
keep going through that list. Where did I left here? Oh, it was the website optimization. Yeah, so website is a bit faster. It's like loading a Facebook, because Facebook is not good, and it's kind of like that. So yeah. Then making account, Gladiator Guild Manager, and setting up some Google Analytics and bot and things. Yeah, I made a bot, but I didn't connect it.
Oh, I thought you were
and,
talking about the account. Yeah.
I made a bot, but I didn't
connect
it, and I don't have that key. I'm
is...
having it at home, so. Okay, for the next one would be. So yeah, we have new Twitch art here, not here in the other scene, and here as well. Yeah, and characters' blood animations are added for Vorg and Ghoul, and I don't know. I think it was Vlados or Hi Guy that sent us a message, asked us if we could make this like. Typing hashtag rank, and then Medvedek. Hashtag rank and Medvedek, and to see the Medvedek's rank. So now this thing works. So basically you can, but make sure to copy the real name here. And then it should work if I play the game. Where is the chat? Oh. And there it is. Medvedek is ranked now 9 out of 19 players. So yeah, that's the thing. And yeah, this thing when we load the next scene is fixed. So yeah. And then what else was here? Player panel, ranking system, time slider. Yeah, time slide. Other things here are the art, and I have worked on this new system for items. So basically, that's not anything visual right now, but we should first of all explain it.
Yeah.
If you want to.
Alright, so but I'll open the other scene. So we're going a lot back and forth with these items, but we are settled on something, and we are curious what do you guys think about this. So basically this is what we want. We changed our mind about these glyphs and everything. We wanted some glyph that you can use in the battle, but now that we are very close to a gameplay loop, we are like, this is maybe not so good. And then we settled for something else. So since game is going to be a little bit like wait just a second. Do you need the like brackets around it? And
Yes.
what if you start the name with an you shouldn't start the name with that.
Yeah, you should
Just
only
write
copy the
the
name.
name,
Yeah.
yeah.
You don't have.
Yeah, like the guys did it up there.
And
But
yeah,
you
man,
need brackets.
brackets. Yeah.
Yeah, because it needs to recognize that.
But
Wait,
yeah, I
actually-
can make it with this at, because for users it's more easier to
yes.
add someone so
Yes.
they don't mistakenly
Alright,
write
let's
the
write
name.
it down.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Do the thing.
yeah. Okay.
And let me. Actually, before I continue with this system thing, let me just see the chat that we missed. So, Hi Guy says that the quality transcoding is random on Twitch. Yeah, this is how it feels. Like sometimes we get it, sometimes not. I was assured that it was when you turn off the low latency, and I see it on other streamers too. They had a problem, and I explained it to somebody, and he changed it to normal latency, and he had settings. So no idea. And Cactus says, what do you think of Hans Zimmer's Crystalis 2 epilogue? I don't know.
Crystalis. Crisis.
Crisis.
Crystalis.
Crystalis, whatever. I just read random stuff. Let me just Google it to see what it is, but I don't know. Is it a Crisis game, or I haven't played really Crisis neither, so not really. The website has low quality for the GM logo on the top left. You should use the vector image or a much higher resolution one. I'm looking at the site in 4K and I can notice it looks bad. Yeah, I'm not sure in 4K how it looks. We have one screen that
2K.
is like this one is 1080 this screen, and the other screen is 1040 I think. No, it's
2K.
no wait, how much is it? It's 14. It's let me write it. It's I think 1440 actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And the other one is like this. So we have a little bit more resolution, but it's not. Yeah,
Yeah,
2K. Daniel was right.
1440, yeah, 2K.
So basically, we see it and we don't even know how it looks in 4K. But the problem there is like then if it's optimized for 4K and 95% of the people are looking at it,
Yeah.
1K.
Cactus Man.
Yeah, and then it's going to load slowly. I'm pretty sure 2K is actually, yeah, because it starts with this.
Oh yeah.
I think so too. I'm not sure what is this then, but
Yeah, whatever. But we should know that thing.
we should know. Okay, so this is the game. You start like a match. Match lasts for about 30 minutes. You build a team, you fight, you rise through the ranks, you do the quests, and this is the gameplay. So we figured when you finish the gameplay, you get one glyph. And that glyph is something that you can use here. But then we changed our mind, because it would be much more fun if there are items that you can drag on units and that you can win every time through every match. So maybe you win 20 items through the match, and you then don't have just combination of units. You have combination of units and items that you're combining. You will be able to craft them. So gives a lot more like possibilities. Plus, like if there is some item that gives shield, for instance, it will cost like 1 or 2 points. So this orc is now 5 points. With this item, he would be 7. And this is where you would see the items. So we feel like this is something much more fun. And for when you win one match, you would then get some kind of a glyph, and you start game always with one and only glyph, and that glyph is giving you like, alright, units are 10% cheaper, you every 10 games you can refresh the shop, or you can summon 5 orcs in shop, or you can start the game with 3 random items and that kind of stuff. So this is the final version that we want. And what do you guys think overall? I don't know how well I can explain it like this. It will be much clearer when it's in the game.
Yeah.
But we feel like it will be much more interesting.
And then the thing is that these glyphs are working differently.
Yeah.
Like you can put them here, but now you should be able to put them on units itself. So that needs a change. This is that slider thing that pissed me off. Like, and I left it like this. Like, okay, you need to let it be like this. It's gonna be like that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, let me see. What price are you planning to sell the game at? Let me just open the Twitch back on. Probably from $10 to $20 as it rises through the early access. So we are not sure right away. It will depend on how developed the game is when it hits the stores. But then we will keep developing it, and the bigger it gets, it might be more. But that's something like that, from $10, $15 at start, and maybe $20 at the end or something like that. But we're still didn't think about that too much, but that's the idea. Alright, so no, it's random. I heard.
They said something about the website branding. It's pretty bad.
I got alright, let me go through everything. I had both transcending and low latency, and it depends on whatever the Twitch server can do at the time. I see, yeah, that's possible.
Yeah.
Alright, so they're talking about what 2K means, and the branding is 4K for, okay. This is done with
That's type of branding I've seen on the website.
And what do you mean? I don't know if he means the branding there, or they're just talking about this. Alright, second variant sounds much better with glyphs
within units.
With glyphs within units. Yeah, it's something that, imagine if you can, like, you do the quest and then you get the item, or maybe you choose the item and then you have a bunch of items and you destroy them to get, like, to craft a new item, and it's all happening fast and it's fun and you're combining it, while other version is like every 30 minutes when you finish the game you get one glyph. And then these glyphs are like, at start you don't have any, and then when you are 10-20 hours in the game you have too many, so a lot of problems that we kind of noticed later on as we kept talking. Alright, we have solid amount of people here. So let me just go through. It all depends on how broke the devs are when they get the releasing stage. No. Even if we are very broke, we wouldn't ask for more, because then we wouldn't sell any, so we would be even more broke. So the price is very independent of our financial state. 20 likes and they show their chair. Oh, that's why we're getting likes. Okay. Alright, so let's see. How are we doing? Here 23, I guess we've been shared. We see here, that is nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is, we can actually start with the game since we already have people.
You can join.
I can join, and I will turn on the championship already because people are here. Okay, so championship mode. You see, this is the first one that we have championship mode on without warm-up. Although we did not tweak the Cryomancer, but we gonna do that after this one, so I didn't expect people would join already. Okay, so let me join too, add bots and start.
And yeah, also we changed these player panels here. These are the better ones. You see, Vlados is the best.
Yeah, he's leading.
Yeah.
You can actually
Iolana is
to
the
our
second.
Discord.
Yeah, and the Hypack is third, so he has this.
You have this rank here, and we're gonna reset it every month. Though we will keep the score somewhere, and
yeah.
So Vlados is leading right now with this panel. Okay, we can start.
And yeah, this thing, but the I forgot to change the look at that colors.
Yeah, colors
are
ruining
not,
it.
yeah, ruining it. Really.
Maybe we shouldn't even have the color.
And yeah, we got this updated, so
This
teddy bear, it always
goes.
goes.
Yeah. You. 2 mail letters. Stop hitting the desk. Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try like this.
Explain to new gamers how to play.
Alright.
You can watch tutorial, but we cannot explain them right.
Well, we can say kind
This
of.
text
Like,
is offset to the left.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright, basically you write in the chat hashtag and then followed by code of the characters. So on the right, when we are in lobby, you see every character's code. Like there is a C for Cryomancer, or A for Archer, B for Berserker, and so on. And then you write just hashtag B, that's Berserker, followed by his level, like 3. Press enter, there you go. You're joined with Berserker level 3. But then we set different points for every place, so now we had 5. Next one, let's say, we'll go with 10 points. Meaning that you will have 10 points to spend. That is like 10 levels or 10 characters.
And the thing is, you see these that Goran made, these like
Yeah.
what to call them? They're actually very small, so I had to
Stretch them.
stretch them. Yeah. It looks fine, but I didn't tell Goran about these dimensions. And basically it has to be like this. These dimensions.
It's okay, I don't think it looks bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it's already transparent and it feels better. Other than this thing.
No. This is how it's going to be in the game.
Makes sense, because you need to have a big handle because you don't see it, and it's important to be stretched like that. Would you send a reviewer code to smaller YouTubers once the game releases? Will it be restricted to big reviewers, or will it be refrained from sending review copies? We'll probably be sending it to smaller reviewers too. I mean, we need to talk with publisher about that, of course, but we were sending like previous games to smaller reviewers, so I guess, yeah.
It's raining outside.
Yeah, I think that's thunder.
Yeah,
I
that
hope
sounded
it won't
like
get,
thunder. Yeah.
I hope it won't get too thundery, because my installations in this house are terrible, and we had thunder striking and burning my PC and everything in house. So I kind of have to turn everything off if it gets crazy. But I think we have another hour before it goes crazy, if it goes.
Next battle button is but.
Yeah. Oh man, don't get me started on Thunder today. Where are you right now? Alright, Vlados is keeping his winning streak so far.
And we're gonna put the rank on the website.
Yeah.
But
Croatia. By the way, where did you see the Rammstein concert? In what country? In what
it's
town?
not working rank. Rank is not working?
It died.
It works.
There it goes.
Rank.
With 20 wins. I talked with Daniel, by the way, about that idea for Icon, and we'll see if we can do something about it. Yeah. We don't want to focus too much on Twitch because we have a lot of things to do. By the way, we also set a deadline, and we want to have the demo ready in 5 weeks from now. So we are going to give our best to like do that. So we can't be
So that means
spending too much time with Twitch. But
no
if,
free day and
yeah.
no Twitch things.
Yeah.
Other than maybe something
Small
like that
stuff.
ad thing that could be
yeah.
done pretty easily and fast. So
That was in Tampere, Finland. Was the only place they had left tickets. Aha, I see. No, a friend of mine actually went in. What was it? In Germany somewhere, and I thought maybe you were there too. I didn't know he went actually. He told me like yesterday. Teddy always has some nice combinations.
and as you can see here on the works, there are blood applied.
Yeah. Almost all of them now have blood. Who is missing? I think Priest and
Pyromancer,
yeah.
Cryomancer,
Yeah, Cryomancer too.
and I think that's it.
Rest in pickles. Yeah, Rammstein was here in Estonia,
And yeah, you see this big victory window.
I feel like maybe we should darken everything behind, at least for this final one, because you see how it kind of blends with something, I don't know. Or maybe have an animation here instead of that, but it's fine for now. For now it's okay. The championship looks so good.
Click here.
Wait, I need to save this.
Click
What?
here. And move that camera
Yeah.
for them to see that. But that line goes
Yeah, it goes
above.
somewhere.
And I forgot, I
Yo.
I forgot to change those lines Goran sent me, actually. Yo.
Alright, bite a bit, I saved you. And
What?
what
Where is
happened with the button?
There is no button.
Never mind, actually, I need to fix the Cryomancer. Alright.
But we need to fix the button as well.
Well,
How can we?
We can just restart for now. We don't have to like let everybody wait for that.
That exit button is not
I know,
working.
but we can do that later because there is a lot of people now.
Okay.
But Cryomancer is important because he's
And
useless.
that button is also important.
Yes, but we can restart.
Ah,
So
you
it's
mean
not...
the whole...
Yeah, it's 2 clicks.
yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
so Cryomancer, okay. I'm just bringing it back to how it was on Friday. So it's, I guess, action, Cryomancer, Frostbolt. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So we set the damage, where is it? Here to 6. And we also set
Why don't you just
radius.
copy from previous project?
It's gonna take me longer till I open it. I just want to do it as fast as possible. Okay, so this is not working.
That was another thunder.
Yeah. What else did we do with him? Oh yeah, the action. The other thing we did was this priority. So let me check that.
It's up.
AOE priority something. Oh no, this is friendly.
This is
the
friendly enemy,
All
yeah.
right. So it was, I set it to 8 and it worked well enough because it's
Okay.
multiplying with the power.
Okay.
But I also need to set it here. Alright, this is it. And enough.
What?
No, it's this is the unit and unit.
Power, yeah. Okay.
Alright. Okay, so Cryomancer are a bit better now. I'm still not sure, like, how good he is overall, but I guess in some situations he will target better and he's stronger, so... Oh, let's go with what we did say, 10.
Let's see the chat we missed.
Yes, we certainly did. Wait.
That's it, yeah.
Okay. And do you guys know how to fix light shot taking a screenshot in 1080 instead of... I don't think it is. I can take a screenshot here. And let me see how big it would be on the other screen.
You can see right away how big it is.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, so I just took the screenshot of the other screen and this is my dimensions. So it just works. I never had any settings with it. For you it takes lesser resolutions.
Hey Uberman, how are you doing?
Hey Uber! 20 likes and they will show their share of drones. We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
20 likes.
20 likes and we're gonna show like both chairs.
Yeah.
Alright, let's join. Okay, I'm going to try that crime answer now. Maybe. Let's see how this goes. He took the table. Cactus, tell him.
It was accidentally.
It's always. But I think I'm doing it the most because I'm holding my leg on the table, but I'm trying not to.
Stop table assault. Oh, we got 10 likes.
Alright.
Halfway there.
Halfway, yeah. Medvedev likes hitting the table. Okay, so I'm guessing we're gonna have some bots. First dislike. Oh no!
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to start. I think this is all of us for now. So who's in place number 3? Hypec? Yeah.
Yeah. Three bots.
10 out of 20 likes. Guys, you need all support, even bot 8. Nah, he only talks with Medvedev.
Look at this bloody night.
So about these items, like we would still they would all add some points to units, so the unit would be more expensive to put to fight somewhere, but still like he would be stronger. And then it's all about like combining something, like you have, I don't know, a ghoul or something, and he is obviously going to get hit a lot, so you maybe give him some shield or something, and then that is a good combination. So the idea there is to find the best combination of units and items to counter your enemies. And your enemy is always going to have more points than you because it's a computer and they are at disadvantage of having their team set up, and you are at the advantage of like finding the best counter and best like positioning and so on. So overall, and the more points they will have, like they have 20 points and you have only 12 points, maybe that would mean that you would be kind of have more points when you win. And then when you would win like this kind of ranked points that like you would have start from 0, and if you get to 100 you pass like one league, and then you go to the next league. An idea there is also that we would have like 6 leagues. We are not sure about names yet, but it's kind of like, you know, silver, gold, diamond. Maybe we will think of something more original. But when you go, when you reach the rank like score 100, then you have to fight some kind of a boss that you need to defeat before moving to the other league. And so you say, let's say you have 30 days, 30 battles. So you combine, like, do I want to do a quest? Do I want to do a ranked match that will like move me forward? But if you lose, it moves you backward. So maybe you got to that score of 100.
Look at this bot.
And then you're like you're at a score of 100 and you have like 5 games left, and you need to figure out how to defeat that boss in these 5 games. I mean, maybe you do it from the first time, but it's usually going to be something like Troll with, I don't know, 50 points, while you have only 20 points, and you need to combine something really good to get him. So that's the idea, and we're really excited about seeing that demo. This is where like most of the fun from the games will be. This is like a fun little mode that you can play with your friends and so on, but the main thing will be that single player. What else did we miss about that? Like, what else didn't we mention about them and what we want there all to be?
I don't know. Andrew Gaming, easy lose. Yeah, it happens. Orcs overpowered.
I don't
They
know.
are a little bit, yeah.
But they have a strong counter, which is Archer, and Mage is fairly good against them. Because they have 0 defense, like they get every hit. And in this game damage is really huge, but they all have defenses. So we kind of wanted to make it a bit more realistic, like, you know, in Warcraft, 2 orcs are hitting each other with axes in head and they take like 30 attacks, which is fine, I mean, it's a game. But we kind of figured it will be maybe more interesting and original if they can take only few hits, but they're actually using their weapons to protect themselves, they're dodging and so on. So when there is no way to dodge the arrow, like few arrows and orc is done. Like, let's see how long they will last. Like, oh shit, targeted. Right.
But yeah,
It was a mess.
wow.
Yeah, you see huge damage. I mean, plus she has really low health, so she's a mage.
Would you prioritize the Twitch mode if it turns out to be more popular post-launch?
I guess
Well,
if that is what people want,
yeah.
But we don't feel like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we would probably if this is like what people
if-
go crazy about, but
Yeah.
we kind of feel right now that it shouldn't be the
And if
case.
not, actually, we will definitely improve this Twitch mode,
course.
but later
Yeah.
on.
We might make
Even
we'll
for
probably-
us, actually, because we will stream this
as
game.
long as we're developing it.
Yeah.
We probably will make more modes, but it's just not doable right now when the main part of the game is not there. So we want to get that done, like, and then we'll see about the rest of it. Finale, yes. Hypec versus Hellos. Yeah, this blue text is really hard to read.
Yeah. And Hypec is going to win, yeah, because orcs are overpowered.
Hypec, great victory. Alright, so not here. Why did... Ah, yeah, I saved something. Alright, screenshot to save. Alright, so I'm going to increase now to 14 units, but I have to make something clear. We have only 10 units. You can only have 10 units, that's max.
Yeah.
So if you make like all level 1 units, you will be left with 4 points that you cannot use. So then you should go #clear and do it again.
Can you
Although
click?
this button... Okay, it works.
It works. But there is no button.
I don't know.
Who knows what happened there?
So as I said, you can have only 10 units, even though you have 14 points. So, because you see, like, right now we have 10 units and there was such a mess we didn't know what happened. Like, 20 is too much.
20 is too much.
So, in game it will usually, in single player, it will often be little, small numbers that you can manage and figure out what is going on. But there will be more complexity, like there are items and what should I do, how can I defeat this one and that one and so on. Yeah, so Cactus, you did it. You had like... Yeah, so you had...
So basically, yeah.
She's a level 3, but you need another level 3 to use all. So just go #clear and copy paste, edit, you know. Well, Thunder keeps persistent.
Yeah. It keeps coming
Yeah,
closer and closer.
it's louder. And it's funny, it's not like it's like, it's like a truck.
Building up, yeah, like building up.
But it's not stopping, it's just there. It's like constant. Anyway, Cactus, I would clean these units and set another ones because you're 2 points less. I mean, if you want to start like that, that is fine with us, but just notifying you.
Yeah.
I guess you guys cannot hear this, or do you hear the thunder? I guess you can't hear the thunder.
Yeah, probably not.
Yes, we do. Huh, you do hear it. I don't know.
My share.
Fallen.
No, because I
Ah,
pressed
you touched
this
the
thing with
lever.
the leg, and
Yeah.
that was trippy, really.
Oh, by the way, if anybody needs some help with joining, tell us. Just, you know, write, like, with this text, or what everybody is doing, #, then some of the names, like G for ghoul, and level, and the ghoul is added. And you can separate them with commas to add more units. And
10 more likes, guys, and they will show a chair full of hacks. Full of hacks.
For 100 likes, we can maybe cast chair into something, like a mage. Why won't go over 13? Well, I was explaining that you cannot have more than 10 units. So you have to calculate it, just add 2 units that are level 3. You see you have level 2 and level 2, but totally it's 13 points and totally it's 10 units. So make this work level 2 or whatever and... Alright.
That was close.
That's getting close, yeah. I mean,
and
if
actually, this Goran meant that this high pack, that panel, would be number first, and then
Yeah,
this one
it's
the
not
second,
invisible.
Vlados
There
to be
you go, good
second,
job.
and
Yeah.
that Joanna's panel to be the third. But we kind of switched.
Yeah.
Vlados is actually the first, Joanna second, and Hai is third.
What are you complaining about? We are waiting for you.
Finally.
Just for you.
Yeah.
She kind of shot these guys instead of them. They were close to her, but I guess she was like, yeah, they have shields, they can protect themselves, there is no point. Because, I mean, she didn't think that, but the points did that. Like,
She didn't think that.
it was, the points are, she's losing a lot of points for targeting units that have shields because she knows that they're gonna block most of her damage.
Yeah, basically that's how it works. This in code, basically, units are getting points. Before they decide what to do, they scan like every enemy, and then they get points for them. And the enemy that has the highest points will be attacked by this.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, so for example, in Archer's perspective, when she scans Orc and Knight, basically Orc gets 2 points for her, but Knight doesn't get points because Orc does not have defenses from projectiles, but Knight has. So that's basically how it works. And yeah, for this slider thing, I had like some kind of collapse because of the damn slider. It's Unity slider. It's bad. It automatically scales my object, like this the button that Goran drew, and I implemented it here and set its native size. And when I play the game, I don't know why somehow it scales like this, and I spend like 20 minutes on stupid scale, so I was like, okay, it's gonna stay like that, so that's that's how it is right now. Nice midlife crisis, yeah. What's happening outside?
It's bad.
Really bad. Oh,
It's getting
I
bad.
came with my bicycle,
Yeah.
so that's gonna be
We'll figure
even
something
worse
out. Yeah.
for me after.
Actually, you might want to put it back. It's raining like hell.
What?
It's raining outside, and your bike is. Did you put it? Is it in open or is it on?
It's on open.
Oh. So how are we doing here? High pack is again going well for night.
No, it's okay.
It's better that bike suffers than you, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna get washed.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least that. Like, what can be? What's the big problem?
Yeah, it's really heavy raining.
Mm. No, it's no problem as long as it doesn't start thundering like crazy. Then we cannot keep the PC on if it's really here because like the electricity is not safe enough for that kind of thunders. But usually doesn't go too crazy, so I don't think so. I think we're gonna be fine. Dead. Yeah. Vladus and Cactus.
This is the hailstorm.
No, it's thunderstorm. What is hailstorm?
Hail. Grad.
Ah. Yeah.
Hail.
I think it's not. I think it's just loud here because it hits the. Can this one orc? No, he cannot. Even if he could survive
That
here.
realization.
Even if he survived this, like Archer, she would get him.
That realization.
Dread City Storm. City Storm, exactly. On our language, it's City Storm. That's how we call it. I don't know why.
No, me neither.
Do I
The
know?
town is called Grad.
Yeah.
And when it's hail, like hailstorm, we call it Grad.
Yeah,
Also.
just city.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah,
outside? It's city.
It's city.
Like, I know. No, it's falling.
Yeah.
City is falling.
City storm. So we.
How did it come to that? I don't know. But also, I don't know what is hail at all.
Hail.
I mean, I get it. What is hailstorm? But hail, what is hail? Like if you would translate it directly. After Pyro nerf, it is difficult to win. Yeah. Yeah, the more balanced they are, the harder it is. The town's falling, I tell you.
Yeah. Town is falling. It's raining a town.
Yeah. You think hail, this is, that's all it means, huh? Let's see. Oh, Medvedek! Medvedek won!
Medvedek!
The hell, I didn't even notice
What
you were
the
in
hell happened right
here.
now?
Like, this is the
Really?
historical moment.
Yeah, this is really good.
We're talking about town falling, and there you go. Medvedek won. Alright.
Nice, man.
Alright. Let's go with maybe 20, yeah? Or less. 18.
18.
Let's go with 18. Hail means to call attention.
To something.
Like hail some person. Yeah, it's like hello.
Okay, like hello.
Okay, so they're not much better than us. They're calling it
Yeah.
hello storm.
Hello storm. Yeah.
It's a bit better. They're like, hello, it's a storm.
Yeah, it's a bit better than it's
Yeah.
falling a city. Like it's falling small cities.
Maybe it wasn't enough to say on Serbian, like, hello, it's a storm. They're like, it's cities falling, get inside.
Yeah.
Just get inside.
Yeah.
I need to go out and get dinner, but the thunder is gonna start again as soon as I hear out, knowing my luck.
I think it was used in medieval times more.
What? Hailstorm?
Like no, like hail, like hello. maybe.
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah.
I'm not following the joke. Alright, we'll join too. So yeah, now we have 18
Hello,
units, meaning that you should use some higher level units, not to have like everybody blocked. Okay, so I'm pretty sure those two words have different origins and are just coincidentally spelled the same. That could be the case too, yeah. Yeah. Alright, Carlos, how are you doing?
How are you doing, man?
We are just discussing what is more ridiculous. Hailstorm, that is kind of hello storm on English, or on Serbian is city
Hello
falling.
Hello, storm. Hello, storm.
So I'm guessing it's all of us. Let me wait like 20 more seconds just in case somebody's writing right now. But if not, we're gonna start. Ah, there we go. Carlos, I didn't notice that you haven't joined.
Yeah, you have 3 more points, by the way.
Yes. So we're gonna wait for Carlos to add 3 more points, and we are starting. Let's go.
Hello, storm.
But yeah, maybe maybe Hi guys right that it's different origin. Maybe it means more. Like I cannot. Only one bot. Humanity still have chance. Yeah. They don't seem to be that good anymore as we updated a lot of stuff. I
Yeah.
don't know why, but they kind of choose badly for some reason. Look at this guy. He's gonna kill them all.
Yeah,
You're gonna
he's
see
gonna
he's
kill
gonna
them all.
win.
Yeah. What?
What?
Ah, that archer again. Freeze, like.
Uh-huh. Sometimes they do not retreat when they should be retreating.
Yeah.
And they just
maybe
freeze
that's
and
the
then they
maybe that's the
And
thing.
it's not only archers, I seen other crime answer. Like he freezes somebody and stands like an idiot and just waits. And the guy gets like the cooldown passes and
Yeah.
not cooldown, the duration of freeze passes and he dies. So there is something,
there is something there.
in deep, but
Some stupid thing.
if it's something that happens always, we could fix it like right away, but it doesn't. So it's we need to hunt it and then study whatever the hell.
Yeah, we actually have to hunt
Yeah,
the bags.
that's how you
That-
get back. You
That,
hunt
that's
them.
how you hunt them, yeah.
That's maybe
You
why
go
they're
check
bugs,
if they're here
insects.
and they're not here, and then go check to the other place and they are not in the other place. They're like hiding.
That's maybe why they're called bugs. You know,
Yeah.
bugs like small insects that are hiding around your room, but sometimes
Yeah.
you see them and you're like, ah! So you have to hunt
like a
them.
little thing.
And it's
that
not like
are
you're really hunting a big animal, it's nothing glorious like that. You're just
Yeah.
kind of, where is it? And that's how it is with the
Yeah,
coin
yeah.
too.
Yeah.
You're just staring at your screen and thinking like, where did it hide? Archer too close to shoot, but far for melee. Yeah, she should
Yeah.
retreat. Get out of here. Like, maybe.
You should start retreating.
Yeah.
I didn't see much retreating in the past.
They kind of given it up.
Yeah.
We've been playing it for so long that they figured we're gonna die anyway.
Yeah, so why do I retreat?
I don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't want to waste energy.
Yeah, they're like, I'm gonna die like a real man.
Yeah.
I won't die in retreat. Man. woman,
Archer like to give up. Yeah. Speaking of chairs, I bought myself a gaming chair at 175 euros. It's better than my Golf 5 seat. It can lay flat so you can sleep on it. That's a good chair.
Yeah, I have that. that kind of chair.
It's a PewDiePie
at
chair.
home. Yeah, PewDiePie chair. It's not actually PewDiePie, but
Yeah.
it can do
Yeah.
this.
Mhm.
So that's the third one?
No, it's the fourth one, I think.
Fourth one.
Yeah. Let me check. Yeah, this is the fourth one.
It's not. How it's not fixed? I tested it.
Huh. Let's see.
This.
Alright, now it's gonna disappear.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, yeah, we are just discussing something. We're not sure if we can do this or not, but we're gonna ask, and sorry about that.
Mute. It's okay. Says Medvedev. No, we had the idea, so we're gonna see.
We're gonna talk with publisher first, so because we don't
Yeah.
wanna make that decision ourselves, but
high pack. Warmius. Hey man,
everything. We are good.
we are good.
Yeah. Alright. Good job. High pack was close again. Alright. Let's go 20 units now.
These likes and dislikes are broken, huh?
True. No?
Well, you're gonna write that message and I'm gonna test it right now. No, it's not.
No, it works. Like. I'm gonna give myself a dislike.
Dislike, Warmius.
Why? Why?
See what you wrote instead
Yeah.
of hashtag.
I mean,
And it worked.
yeah. I sometimes miss the key and
Yeah.
I write. It's working fine. You only get one like this, like point. It doesn't count if you like over and over. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. But you can like as much as you want, just to write a message or to say something. But it's a feature that we can type like test, or it's like a bug. No, it's a feature. Yeah. If you're asking if that message is a feature or a bug, it's really a feature. It wasn't
Yeah.
working. It would be funny if like it left there and like well, let's keep it. But no, it's a feature.
Well, maybe it could be always here, not disappearing.
Mhm.
It would,
Like the last message.
The last message to be always here.
Yeah, maybe.
From the like or dislike.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, we have people joining.
I thought so. You guys can join now if you want. We're gonna start soon. I see that we have 19 people or 17. Like
20.
Twitch says 20, OBS says 19. So who knows? All right, so. Vladis has no access to the stream chat. What? Why?
Why?
Refresh it to try pop-up chat. You can open the pop-up chat there in options. Maybe that will
Oh,
work
maybe
for you.
if you're on mobile, then.
Yeah, on mobile maybe.
Well,
that's
that's
crazy.
from the Twitch itself. It's not
Yeah.
by us.
But try
Nothing.
refreshing, restarting something.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, it's.
Someone banned Vladis.
No, he's the last person we would ban. He's the champion right now.
Yeah.
Like that's what you get when you win a lot.
Yeah.
You get
When
banned.
you get 20 wins, you get banned.
Yeah. Medvedev is like. Alright. I
Wait,
think,
wait.
okay, yeah, we're gonna.
Carlos says it.
Okay, we're gonna wait a little longer also if Vladis manages to get in, but actually let's set that up. Let's once in life use this timer. Alright. Like there is 1 minute. When it goes past, we're gonna start. So if somebody else is still joining or
Let's once in a life use the timer.
yeah. Wait, who won last time? I was AFK. You won. Is this you?
That's
Yeah,
you,
you won. I think that's him. Or maybe it's not him. No, it's not him. It's just similar name. Ah, we are so bad.
It is.
Zeruel.
1, 2, 3. That font
Zeruel.
is not
Ah,
good,
that's why it's okay. Sorry, it is you. It is you. We are. Look how nicely you're just tap, and.
so yeah, he like descended down
Yeah.
to the.
No, we
final.
definitely need to update this font. Like it's one of the.
Yeah.
It's okay looking, but it's so bad. Like one and I is same.
But you can move this thing.
Yeah,
Move this
yeah,
thing.
yeah. He says, I thought I was being pranked by Carlos Silvia just when just the one time I went AFK. Okay, this is at
Carlos,
0.
you
Carlos, you
have
have
two
2
more
more
points,
points,
yeah.
so I would add that now because we want to start.
don't know why Vladas can't access the chat. Why?
I don't know, maybe something broke on his phone.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We haven't banned anyone, so...
Yeah. We can't. I mean, we can through Twitch, I guess, but I wouldn't know how. Luckily, we didn't have anybody spamming through all,
we didn't have any...
Oh, but don't add one. Now you cannot. Now you have to clear everything and do it. But if you can do that quickly, please.
Well, okay, you can start.
It's fine, but do you want to restart it or should we start?
But do it right away, because people are waiting.
If you want to restart, just do it quickly, like copy your thing and paste it and add level 2 orc and yeah. It was Uber. He was jealous. He was like, you cannot win this much times.
Yeah.
Vladis is in Discord. Check out his problem. Oh, okay. Let me see.
Hashtag like blame Uber. Maybe general?
I think bot banned me, so I can't write in chat. They say connection to chat. Aha! If it says anyone, please send a dislike. I want share it. Okay, we're gonna check that out actually.
What
but
bot?
I don't
we
know.
don't have bot.
We don't have a bot, but maybe.
You can start the game. Oh no, Carlos, you have 2 more points, man.
Let me just see if I. But I don't know. I never banned anybody. I don't know where that is, so I probably can't figure it out now because it will take me some time.
Switch that from that mode.
Yeah, maybe.
And then maybe settings, something.
No, actually, this mode might be the one. Slow mode, very recent rate, manage.
Moderation settings, maybe that.
This
Yeah, because that's from the
block chat rules. Can anybody tell us if you know where can we find the
Start
list
the
of
game.
banned people? Yeah, we're gonna start.
Why bot banned him? Why?
We don't even have a bot. That's the worst thing. Like
Yeah, we don't even have any bot.
only if Twitch banned you for some reason. But
Yeah.
no problem, Carlos.
Try. Uh-huh.
Are you just saying
Unban
that
me.
like randomly or you know? Is that one of these things like Alt F chat3? F4, F chat3, I said F chat3. Yes, there is that. Actually, this is how it works. Alright,
Vladas.
I just need to find his exact name. There it is. There it is. It says
Yeah.
to me like I
It's
can
not
actually show
currently
you.
banned.
I tried that and it says Vladis is not currently banned from this channel. So it's not that. Maybe you got banned by Twitch itself.
But why?
I don't know why, but
Did he mention something that
Wait,
he
let me-
shouldn't?
let me actually check on Discord his screenshot. What does it say? Ah, come on. Come on. Everything is same color here on Windows. I don't know, this is not in our language, so I cannot read this message, but it seems like it's loading something. It says connection to chat. Yeah, that doesn't have anything to do with banning, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just you lost connection. Oh, chat rank I don't think this was a ban, Vladis.
You tell him that it's not a ban.
He's watching this.
Ah,
I think
he's watching.
writing something right now.
Yeah.
I didn't lose connection. I watched the stream. Yeah, but it says you said that this means connection to chat is lost, right? And if you see the stream, I just shown how it says that you were.
I chat rank and then Joanna, but it will not appear. So I write it second, maybe another time, and get instant ban.
But did it says? Can you
Yeah.
send me screenshot? I mean, it's another language, so it wouldn't help me. But did it say you got banned? Because you're not banned from our channel.
Yeah, it's
Like here it is. Here it is. Is not currently banned.
You can try it, right? Maybe
Yeah,
they don't
let
see
me try
that.
again. Yeah. All right. Unban. There you go.
Yeah.
You're not currently banned from this channel. Let me check the
Who knows what
messages.
it is?
Can you unban me? We didn't ban anybody. Feel bad. I think that maybe is just loading. Try different browser might help. Yeah, try that. And you get disconnected from chat. You just need to log in again if it will work. Yeah, try different browser or something maybe. it
But
will
if
help.
you're on mobile, then
Yeah, he's probably using Twitch app.
if that screen, he sent the screenshot, so he's probably not on mobile.
Like for banning Vladus. Oh, so now we know how to ban also. I guess it's just
Yeah.
by hashtag ban.
Yeah. Yeah, not hashtag that.
Not hashtag, slash ban, yeah. Yeah, close the stream and open it again or something like that. Yeah, slash ban and then name and you did it.
Wait.
What?
That auto mode. Yeah, auto mode is off.
Off, yeah.
Wait, message. This, click this. Let's see what.
Block terms and raises. Let's continue.
Oh no, that's like filtering. You
Uh-huh.
know?
Yeah, well, that's
And-
fine. What happened when Vormius wrote hashtag like, hashtag dislike? Let me try it.
Nothing like.
Dislike.
Trying to find the bag. Not this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we had on some version of the stream, like it's very old, like 4 months ago, 3 months ago, something like that. No, more. We had that like 18 points, so basically 18 points was the maximum, and then some guy, I don't remember who was it, that wrote like hashtag minus, I don't know, it was hashtag night, and then minus 300 points. And he got like, his points would go to negative value, and he would get like, do that few times, and he can add like 300 units, like, or something like that. It was bug.
And then everybody was
Yeah,
using it,
and
then
then
Twitch and going crazy.
when everybody saw it, like everybody was using that, and that Twitch stream was crazy. Like it was like hashtag night minus 3 million, and then 3 million points. Like what?
And then people would be adding like night that is like 5 million points night.
Yeah.
And there's,
5 million level.
all right, Hellos and Medvedek again are.
Vermius, he knows some codes.
What?
Color
Look at that.
red.
We're gonna get hacked like this. You're gonna see.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna think of something.
Yeah.
Good job, Vermis. We had no idea this was possible.
Yeah, I know it was possible, but I didn't know it was.
Yeah, it like should work.
Yeah.
Medvedek again.
Medvedek.
You really
Hacks.
this
Is
version
this the
of the
hacks
game is
happening?
working for you. There we go. Alright, so we usually play 5 games, but since we didn't say anything, maybe we should go for one more because
Yeah,
we
okay.
didn't say it's the last one, so let's go and play 6 games today. So, keeping it at 20 points. This is the last one.
Beer. That's.
You didn't disable HTML coding.
Yeah.
We did not.
BR. That's for the codes, HTML for the new row.
I don't know what's happening, but I did not get my units in the game.
What?
I couldn't. It ignored my code right here.
Wait, why?
I don't know.
B2.
Vormius. Alright.
It's not.
No, it's a random bug.
Random back.
Yeah. Yeah, so he's changing size. Did it work? Did it change the size?
Yeah, you could change. No, this.
Yeah, it did. He changed the size.
No, its size is automatic.
Yes. Okay, what if I write like size 2? No, it's automatic.
It's automatic,
Of
no
course,
matter
yeah.
what.
Yeah.
But you can do something like, for example,
No, this like pop up the chicken. We should make something like if we have 100 dislikes, we steal 2 chickens from the neighbor, and we make them fight in arena.
it didn't work.
No, it did. You just didn't change the color. You kept them all red.
Ah.
You went to different colors, right? What is that? Alright, that worked.
Yeah, that worked.
Yeah.
Damn text. Yeah, we can disable that that HTML coding in. That's the Text Mesh Pro actually, and that's how I made this with that coding. I made this. When you roll over the item, you see how many stamina is, how many damages get from stamina and those colors and things.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I used that for something also. Alright, but we should start soon, you know, because... Alright. Write that, copy it, and let me add 2 bots and we can start.
You see this? Medvedek!
Yeah.
This is how you can color the...
Alright. This is getting...
Yeah.
Like, where's the start button? So when you don't want to watch the fight, you just write something big and like...
Yeah.
I don't want to see it.
Medvedek! Yeah.
Medvedek.
now you can copy this, so...
Oh my god, and this... Ah, there it is, there it is. Over.
There it is.
It's still there.
It worked.
Didn't show up anything because you wrote at the end of the game
Yeah.
and then the new scene loaded.
But I fixed that and...
You know what can be... I mean, this is the object that doesn't get destroyed, right? Or it does? No, it does. So this is would be the solution. To make it kind of a singletron and then destroy the new one if the old one exists.
But
You know, classical scene.
this scene and that Twitch scene have different size and the whole aspect ratio.
Yeah.
So
Axe. Really quickly.
there it is. Jovana.
No, Medvedek.
Medvedek.
Now she's gonna be no, Jovana.
Yeah. Vlados, you made it, man. Still alive.
So the chat loaded. I don't know if you missed this, but Vormius figured that this chat can be almost hacked. But you're missing like...
This is the problem.
Yeah, just use some different color. I don't know how to spell that one.
There it is, Vlados, welcome back.
Yeah. Bot is actually defeated both me and Gusek.
Tito. Hex chat.
Mhm.
This is a real hex now.
Yeah. There are always some hacks to be found here. Medvedev is again in the not finale, but something.
Orc. Now everybody's spamming like.
Now Twitch algorithm is like, okay, this chat is very active.
Yeah,
must
chat
be.
is very active, yeah.
Maybe we should put more traffic to them. And then people comment like, what? Somebody
Yeah.
fighting and a lot of weird stuff on the
Yeah.
screen.
And everybody's programmer.
Yeah, everybody's a programmer here.
Yeah. These guys are fighting and...
Oh, Medvedev lost against the
Or,
bot.
what do you think someone would tell if they see like, how do you play the game? And then see this
Yeah,
like, what? No way.
It's
I'm not watching
HTML5
it.
game.
Yeah. I'm not watching this.
There's an idea for somebody. You make a game and you can only play it by programming. So then you stream about it and you learn people how to code while playing the game. But it's probably not doable because it's not really programming, but...
Hey, Cactus Man, don't do that please again.
I missed it.
He wrote Pornhub.
Yeah, like we know how to ban now, so... Yes.
Yeah. No, we can
And look at the
always-
victor today. Final victor for today.
Bot.
It's bot! Alright, you gonna send it to bot? No.
Almost.
Bite a bit. You're the final, like, victory. Had the final victory for today. We know how to ban now, so all our people gonna die. No, you guys are really nice. Really, I was just thinking like how nice everybody is. Like nobody's writing anything. Like, and then there was Cactus. All right, let's update the rank. Let's update the rank. So, Twitch. No, it's not script. It's Twitch data rank.
What?
Vlad. Okay, Vladus didn't win any games. Yeah,
Yeah?
but who won? Like, is this okay? Hypack won one. Medvedev won some. Where's yeah? Medvedev has 3 and he had only 1. Yeah, it's working.
This is the what is this?
That is bad.
Yeah? Why did it?
Why with 0? Just remove that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So here is the current rank, right here. And I thought it didn't work because usually Vladus has like 5 wins in the day, but
Yeah.
today people were serious, so not that. So we have Hypack with some victory, Medvedev reason he had 1 point, now he has 3 points, and yeah.
Bot 4. No, bot 4 won. When
I
bot
thought it
4?
was just bot. But maybe that can get buggy because it sees like bot and then
No,
it shouldn't do that.
it shouldn't do that,
I
yeah.
don't know. We had a weird thing here. We had bot with 0 points at the end, but we don't know what that was. Carlos Silvia, let me see. Have you won today? No, you haven't today, and I guess like this is from the 24th, what's that, August, I think. So maybe you haven't been winning since then. That could be the case. But we are still thinking about this and when we're gonna restart it and so on, but yeah. Alright guys, so this was it for today.
Yep.
And thank you all for hanging out. You will receive the games soon. I'm going to send this file to publisher now. And no, I'm just about here. What? Wait, can we win games even if we've won once before? What do you... Yes, you mean can you win twice at the championship? Yes, you can. We had people winning 3 games. Yeah. We got some clips here, but we're gonna check them out later. So yeah, thank you guys for hanging out, and see ya on Tuesday.
See ya.
Bye.